Okay, frequency histogram tutorial number 2, because my battery died and I'm not starting over. I'm sorry. Okay, so 28 to 30. Oh, yeah, it's just the one, right? So 25 to 27 was that one of 26, the one here. And let's make sure they add up to 20. So 15. Yep, so they do add up to 20. So then now I know with the y-axis, I just need to go, the highest point I need to go to 5. So then I'm just going to go, this is here, the y-axis is just frequency, just the number of students that scored that. Okay, so 13 to 15, we have 5. So I'm just going to draw that bar up to 5, right? 16 to 18. So the first 3 basically have 5. So that'll be kind of boring, but you know what I'm saying? And then 22 to 24 is 3. And then we go 1, 1. So that's how you do a histogram. You might want to, now that I'm thinking about the data that you guys are doing, depending on what your data is, you might want to number by 1s or just by 2s. But because what you're looking at is, does this follow a normal curve? And when you look at that question, you need to be like, no real life data follows an exact normal curve, like exactly 68% are within 1 SD. Like that just doesn't happen, okay? Because it's real life data and everything happens because of chance, variability. Anyway, more stats lingo that we'll learn about next year, hopefully. But so you have to think, is it approximately normal? So when you do your histogram, if it approximately follows a normal curve, oh, did my pen not work? Oh, undo, sorry. You guys, I'm losing my mind here. So if it approximately follows a normal curve, and it may be roughly, but then that's what you're looking at. Mine really does not. Mine looks definitely skewed right. It's pulled to the right, but anyway, so hopefully that helps just remind you how to do a frequency histogram, but just try out the different interval widths, because maybe like with mine choosing 3, I should have done 2, and maybe that would have been more like a normal curve. So anyway, hope this helps you, and please ask me questions, reach out to me if you need help on anything, because otherwise I feel like I'm not doing my job. So anyway, love y'all. Have a great night, or whenever you're watching this, and we'll talk to you soon.